A fire pit grill is one of the best ways to bring your outdoor space to life and increase your grilling capacity. Outdoor fire pit grills serve two functions. They allow you to enjoy campfires in your yard or patio while cooking food on them. Fire pits make cool nights cozy, provide mood lighting, and make conversations more enjoyable. Plus, many of them are HOA-friendly and can be used in no-burn zones. There are many products available to choose fire pit grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fire pit grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunite Crossweave Outdoor Fire Pit. The Sunite Crossweave Outdoor Fire Pit Grill earns high marks for its sleek design, sturdy construction, and consumer-friendly price. There's a lot to admire here. First, I like that this fireball grill is made from alloy steel and powder-coated for all-weather protection. I also like the lattice fireball, and that the entire perimeter is reinforced with sturdy mesh. This allows ample airflow, reduces smoke, and provides increased protection from flyaway sparks and ash. And you can top it all off with the mesh ball top. Extras include a metal spark screen, a waterproof and weather-resistant cover, a built-in wood-burning grate, and a fire poker. Sunite also offers a 1-year protection plan that covers the fire pit grill from top to bottom. Number 2. Tiki brand 25-inch stainless steel fire pit. The Tiki 25-inch stainless steel low-smoke fire pit earns high marks for sturdy construction and award-winning features. Tiki made waves more than 60 years ago with the famous Tiki bamboo torch. Since then, they've branched out by offering some of the best fire pit grills on the market. This grill has a sleek modern look and is made from 16-gauge stainless steel with a powder-coated finish. This fire pit grill comes with a 25 diameter bowl, which provides generous grate space to cook on. While this fire pit grill does not come with a cooking grate, many consumer-friendly options are on the market. The beauty of this grill is that you can use it on any surface, even on wood decks. It rests on stylish hairpin legs, which puts the unit at a safe distance from the ground. This unit also does an excellent job of mitigating smoke plumes thanks to its internal airflow system. Number 3. Bully Outdoors Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Bully Outdoors Wood-Burning Fire Pit Grill combo lands at the top of the list thanks to its sturdy steel construction, dual-purpose fire pit, and BBQ grill design. There's a lot to admire here. First off, it comes with a consumer-friendly price tag, which is surprising, considering that it's made from top to bottom powder-coated steel. The outdoor fire grill is also perfectly sized. I also like that it has an adjustable 18.7 circular grate, which you can bring up or down, depending on your needs. Swing it over the fire to cook. Swing it out of the way or detach it altogether if you'd rather have a cozy fire. This fire pit grill is built like a tank, but it's surprisingly lightweight. At only 27 pounds, you'll have no trouble moving this unit around the yard or patio. This outdoor fire pit is unique in that it has an additional grill grate system circling the fireball. This feature isn't practical for cooking. Number 4. Ladman Big Sky Stars and Moons Fire Pit. The Ladman Star and Moon Fire Pit with Grill is a slightly smaller version of the Sunite Crossweave Outdoor Fire Pit Grill. The first thing you'll notice is that this wood-burning fire pit grill is a playful venting system. Star and moon-shaped cutouts surround the perimeter of the bowl. These scallops serve two purposes. First, they look great, especially when there's a roaring flame behind them. Second, they increase airflow and reduce smoke. This outdoors wood-burning fire grill is made from sturdy steel and has a powder-coated finish for increased protection. This fire pit grill also comes with a rail that circles the perimeter of the fireball. This feature serves a couple of purposes. First, it allows you to lift the fire pit. Second, it's also an excellent spot to prop your feet when the fire is low. It's also a convenient spot to rest your fire poker. Number 5. Weldon Fire Pit Grate. The Weldon Round Fire Pit Grill Rack is an ideal fire pit grill for anyone with a stone or brick backyard fire pit setup. This unit is essentially an inverted basin, and you can use it in a couple of ways. If you want to increase airflow and produce a roaring campfire, place your charcoal or wood on top of the 36 rack. If you want to use the rack as a cooking grate, start the fire below the 4-tall rack. Once the embers die down and the charcoal grays, drop a smaller set of grates on top of the rack and start cooking. While I don't recommend it, you can drive a car over this fire pit grate, no exaggeration, without damaging it. It's also powder coated to give it all-weather, flame-resistant protection. This fire pit cooking grate is 36 in diameter, which gives you plenty of room to cook for the entire family. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.